Brownie batter iced coffee is rich. FUDGY, absolutely irresistible. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back. Today we're making a decadent iced brownie batter coffee that tastes just like licking the brownie bowl. It's rich, chocolatey, and perfectly chilled for the ultimate treat. If you love dessert-inspired drinks, this one is a must-try. Super easy, super indulgent, and ready in minutes. Let's turn your coffee into a fudgy dream. Ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of strong brewed coffee or 1-2 shots of espresso. Cooled, add pound cup milk of your choice, whole, almond, or oat. For that brownie batter flavor, use 1 pound tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons sugar or sweetener. To taste, you'll also need ice cubes. Optional toppings include whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, or crushed brownie pieces. Directions: start by filling a tall glass with ice. Pour your cooled coffee or espresso over the ice and set aside. In a separate cup, whisk together the milk, chocolate syrup, cocoa powder, and sugar until smooth and fully combined. Slowly pour the chocolate milk mixture over the iced coffee. Stir gently until everything blends into a rich, creamy drink. For an extra indulgent touch, top with whipped cream, drizzle more chocolate syrup on top, and sprinkle crushed brownie bits if you like. This iced brownie batter coffee is the ultimate treat, perfect for mornings, afternoons, or whenever you're craving something sweet and energizing. Enjoy every chocolatey sip. And that's your iced brownie batter coffee, rich, creamy, and totally irresistible. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet drink ideas. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious video. Until then, enjoy every chocolatey sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.